Hi, I'm Fiona. And I'm Luce. We got some black sugar paper and split it in two. On one side we used hot colours like oranges and reds, and on the other, cold colours like greens and blues.
Hi, my name's Jessica. I face using hot colours like reds and oranges on one side and cold colours like greens and blues on the other.
Fantastic art attack, and what brilliant faces. But hold on, what's all this about warm and cold colours, I hear you say? Well, actually, there are certain colours that can help give a warm feel to your picture, and there are other colours that can help give a cool feel to your picture, and it's easy to remember which is which. For the warm colours, just think of warm sunshine and hot fires, and you get yellows and oranges and reds and nice rich browns. They're the warm colours. And for the cool colours, think of things like icy blue, cool minty greens and snowy white, and they're the cool and cold colours. Now, just to show you how effective this technique can be, I'm going to do a picture that's got warm bits in it using warm colours and cool bits in it using cool colours. And I'm going to start with the warm colours. Nice bit of warm yellow here. Warm it up even more. Even the little bits of detail, these warm yellows. Red. It's rich warm reds. Rich reds. Look at these nice ruby reds. Very warm colour, that. Look at that. And that's it. All the warm colour. Snowy white. Minty greens. What about some icy blue? Look at that. Cool. Freezing. And there it is. The cool colours really do make parts of your picture feel very cool, and warm colours make parts of your picture feel very warm. Try it yourself, warm colours, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!
Art Attack is sponsored by Princeton.